Is your DVR or XVR showing a question mark over your camera feed? We can help you fix this. This is a common video standard conflict between your camera and your DVR. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to fix this in under 5 minutes. Let's get straight to it. This question mark appears because your DVR and camera are using different formats, such as PAL and NTSC. For everything to work, they must be set to the same standard. We will adjust this right now. If the question mark appears on all channels, the solution is simple. We access the DVR menu, go to System, then General. Here, we change the video standard option to the other available format. We save, the DVR reboots, and everything should return to normal. Keep in mind that we are using a specific DVR model as an example. Your device's menu might look slightly different, but the settings will be located in a similar place. If you have any questions or need a hand with your specific setup, just let us know in the comments below, or feel free to reach out to our free technical support via WhatsApp. We've included all our contact information in the video description and in the pinned comment. Now, if the error only shows on one specific camera, the problem is with that camera. We have 2 ways to fix this. Many cameras have a small control button or a joystick toggle on their cable. By pressing the center menu button, we can bring up the camera's internal OSD menu directly on the screen. From there, we use the directional toggles to navigate through the settings until we find the video standard option. We then change the format by pressing the directional button to the left or right, depending on your camera model. This is often the fastest way to sync the camera with your system. If your camera doesn't have a button, we use the Coaxial Control or XVI Control. First, you must select the camera. You can double-click on its image to open it in full screen. Then you open the Coaxial Control option, access the camera's OSD menu, and navigate between the camera's menu options to change the video standard. This should solve the problem. But here are 2 important pieces of information. For you to be able to perform this procedure, it is necessary that the camera has an OSD menu accessible by DVR or XVR. And on some DVRs and XVRs, it is only possible to access the camera menu if the DVR channel and the camera are using the same technology. Unless the location where the camera is located is dark, so that it remains with a black and white image. If it is with a color image, it means that the technology is correct. If you have any difficulty and need help, leave your question in the comments or contact our free technical support. And that's it. Your camera is back online. If we helped you solve this problem, please hit the like button. It's crucial for our channel. If you are seeing a PX or NX on your screen instead of the camera image, we have another video showing exactly how to fix that as well, and we'll leave it for you right at the end of this video. Subscribe for more security tips, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless you.